There's only one Jet-Hot. It's the hottest in high-temp coatings. Whether you're racing, rodding, or restoring, snowmobiling or jet skiing, trucking or going off-road, no other high-tech coating comes close. Jet-Hot adds unmatched beauty and unbeatable performance to exhaust components. Our latest formulation, Jet-Hot Sterling, is a third-generation coating resulting from years of advanced engineering in pursuit of perfection. Metallic ceramic coatings were originally developed by NASA. Jet-Hot's parent company, Metallic Ceramic Coatings Incorporated, re-engineered those coatings to protect high-performance fighter engines and submarine parts. At races, car shows, off the road, and on the street, you'll see aficionados sporting Jet-Hot coated headers. It's easy to understand why Jet-Hot is enormously popular. It improves performance, extends the life of parts, and looks great. Jet-Hot Sterling resembles sterling silver. Many critics think it looks better than chrome. It actually contains silver powder and protects substrates up to 1300 degrees Fahrenheit. If exhaust temperatures go higher, Jet-Hot 2000 can handle the assignment. This rough and tough coating won't even flinch up to 2400 degrees Fahrenheit. NASCAR drivers rely on Jet-Hot to get rid of heat under the hood when they're drafting. Drag racers enjoy added power and extra safety. Cooler headers are less likely to fireball. Rodders and auto enthusiasts avoid snake bites from side pipes. Lower header temperatures promote denser fuel-air charges which increase power. Jet-Hot makes the interior bore of the header very smooth. Streamline the gas flow and exhaust velocity will increase. Exhaust scavenging is more effective. Jet-Hot reduces temperatures and adds horsepower. Jet-Hot supports racers. We are the only coating company to become a major NHRA and IHRA sponsor. Since 1994, we have shown our appreciation to racers by rewarding their successes by posting over $1 million in contingency awards. Jet-Hot is #1 for serious enthusiasts and top-name pros. Listen to what Big Daddy Don Garlitz, who dominated the quarter mile with his Swamp Rats, has to say about Jet-Hot technology.
And I'm Big Daddy Don Garlitz for Jet-Hot Coating. Here we have a pipe that's not coated. After it's run a little while, it gets rusty, it burns out on the inside. The ceramic coating, such as offered by Jet-Hot, solve the problem. They sandblast the pipes. Of course, it's better if you do them when they're new. It makes them good for a long time. Sandblast the pipes inside and out. They coat them with this ceramic coating. It causes the exhaust gases to flow through the pipes better, but even more than that, it saves the headers. The life is extended 3 or 4 times because the heat cannot get into the metal. It goes right out the pipe. The ceramic is a tremendous shield to keep that heat out of that steel, and that's what destroys your headers. In Top Fuel, it was really a wonderful innovation. It saved our headers.
Tommy Johnson Jr., an ET record breaker and always a contender in Top Fuel, supports Big Daddy's assessment.
Durability is a big thing with us, Steve. Before we started coating our headers with Jet-Hot, we were going through as many as 8 sets a year. Now we're down to just 2.
Garlitz and Johnson aren't the only ones excited about Jet-Hot. Leading automotive publications including Hot Rod and Carcraft give Jet-Hot rave reviews. Here's what John Force's crew chief, Austin Coyle, says about Jet-Hot. I like the lower contact temperatures and quick cool down with Jet-Hot. It helps protect John and makes engine work a breeze. Jet-Hot and its Arizona production facility were featured on the NHRA Today show. John Force, quite possibly the greatest drag racer in history, and Steve Evans visited our Arizona factory.
Actually, Steve, I wanted to come by. Everyone knows we've taken the points lead back, but wanted to come by and thank the guys from Jet-Hot Coating. You know, after that fire we had second round, we probably wouldn't have been in the race without their help.
For John Force, the advantage of the Jet-Hot coating is the cooler the exhaust headers, the less chance of a fire when hit by hot oil. For the rest of us, though, the performance advantage happens in this super secret chamber. Somehow, here comes an exhaust header now, they coat the inside, and the smoother that metal, the better the exhaust scavenges, and that can mean more power. They have seen gains of 1 to 3%, even a bit more. And when you're trying to find hundredths of a second, these are the areas where you find it.
Jet-Hot is a proprietary formula consisting of metals, ceramics, and chemical binders. Before a Jet-Hot coating is applied to your parts, the parts are thermally degreased for 45 minutes at 650 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, they are blast stripped with high-quality aluminum oxide to create a strong anchor pattern. 2 coats of Jet-Hot are applied in a narrow spray at interlocking angles to assure complete coverage on the outside. Flow coating or proprietary techniques are used on the inside of parts such as headers. A curing process follows, 50 minutes at 650 degrees Fahrenheit. Through this detailed process, Jet-Hot bonds electrochemically with your parts for continuous protection, even under the most extreme conditions. Steve Evans put Jet-Hot under the hammer. Listen to his reaction.
Wow. Took a licking and kept on sticking.
Jet-Hot Sterling combines extraordinarily low emissivity with exceptional insulating characteristics. Engineers at one of America's big three automobile manufacturing companies were amazed after testing Jet-Hot's heat reduction capabilities. According to their data, Jet-Hot reduced temperatures on the surfaces of exhaust piping consistently and dramatically. Under certain conditions, Jet-Hot lowered exhaust tube temperatures by 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Lower underhood temperatures promote denser, more powerful fuel-air charges and minimize the energy drain from fans and water pumps. That's just one of the Jet-Hot benefits. Jet-Hot Sterling is the most brilliant high-tech coating ever produced. Other metallic ceramics look dull in comparison. This graph shows why. The height of the bars correspond to the roughness of the surface. The lower the bar, the smoother the surface. First-generation metallic ceramics measured as high as 40 or more on the roughness scale. Our second-generation coating smooths surfaces down to the mid-20s. Jet-Hot Sterling averages a very low 6.5. Slick by any standard and great-looking too. On street machines, Jet-Hot extends the life of headers by an average of 10 times. In accelerated salt spray tests, Jet-Hot lasts more than 14 times longer than chrome and over 140 times longer than high-temperature paints. It outperforms all other ceramic coatings on the market. There's nothing like Jet-Hot. But Jet-Hot coats more than headers. Craig Breedlove, the first person to exceed 600 miles per hour in a car, researched all high-tech coatings before selecting Jet-Hot for the Spirit of America.
I want to thank Jet-Hot Coatings for the fantastic job they did in coating Spirit of America's engine.
Besides helping the beast under your hood run stronger and longer, Jet-Hot beautifies headers, manifolds, valve covers, mufflers, and many other parts. That's why Jet-Hot is ideal for extending the life of new equipment or restoring valuable and often irreplaceable parts. Don't be drawn in by pirates and knockoff artists with coatings that sound like Jet-Hot. There's only one Jet-Hot. Jet-Hot believes in old-fashioned American service, fast and friendly, along with a guarantee that your parts will be checked and rechecked for quality before they leave one of our production facilities. Jet-Hot backs all of its coating with lifetime rust-through protection and a 3-year guarantee of satisfaction on new parts. Jet-Hot is #1 because it's cost-effective, highly durable, great-looking, and cooler running. Plus, it delivers a little extra punch and safety. Call us today at 1-800-432-3379 to order, or visit our website at www.jethot.com. When you call to order, we'll tell you where and how to ship your parts. We'll work with you to make the whole process as professional as possible. Make Jet-Hot part of your team and join the Jet-Hot Winners Circle.